Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be sharing this recipe with you. I wanted to create something that's jam-packed with flavors. While I was making this recipe, I was working a lot on the flavor, but at the same time, I wanted something super healthy. So it's like a very healthy snack. At the same time, it's jam-packed with flavor. Everyone in your house is going to love it, trust me. So without further ado, let's get started. So in a pressure cooker, I'm adding 1 cup of matki beans or moth beans that I had soaked overnight. Then I'm adding in 1/3 cup of black chickpeas or kala chana that I had soaked overnight. Now 2 sweet potatoes that I have peeled and cut into chunks. And 6 black peppercorns, 1 black cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, 1 bay leaf, 4 garlic cloves, a small piece of ginger, 1 green chilli, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, half teaspoon of turmeric, and half cup of water. Also adding in some salt to taste. Now we are going to pressure cook it for 5 whistles. All these spices will give a very rich flavor to our kebabs. Also, I love the fact that spices add so much flavor. At the same time, these are so healthy. Now I'm just removing the bay leaf, and we are going to transfer this into a mixer jar, and we'll let it cool down completely before we grind it coarse. So this is how it should look like. Now I'm using some achaar masala from this red chili pickle that was there at my home. So I've taken a tablespoon of the masala. You can use any achaar masala, but I think this one works really well. It gives a very good flavor. I also sometimes add it to my sandwich fillings as well. So now I've added 1/3 cup of besan and some red chili powder, adding in some fresh coriander as well. Actually lots of fresh coriander, and we are going to mix it all really well with the help of our hands so that the masala and everything mixes really well and the mixture is even. Now, contrary to the general belief, achars are not unhealthy. They are very good for your gut health. Now I have also added some salt to taste. I had actually tasted my mixture and I felt that there's a little salt required. Now I've greased my palm with some ghee. You can also use oil, and I'm just making these tikkis. Now all the ingredients that we've used have helped us to make 10 tikkis. Now I'm greasing my pan with some ghee because I think ghee gives a very good flavor to kebabs, but it's up to you. If you are vegan or you don't like ghee, then you can always use oil, but I would suggest you use ghee. So now we are going to cook it on low flame, and when you slow cook your kebabs, it gives a very good rich flavor to them. So we are going to cook each side for 10 minutes. Now cooking on low flame will help make our kebabs get crispy from the outside, like you see this golden brown crust, and they'll be soft on the inside. And all the ingredients that we've used for making these kebabs, like matki beans, they are rich in protein, rich in fiber. Even the kala chana is rich in protein, rich in fiber. Matki beans are also rich in iron as well. They are rich in B vitamins, antioxidants. Sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants. They're rich in fiber, vitamin A, C and E, and they're very good for your gut and brain health. Now this is an optional step. I am just putting some grated salad on some lettuce leaves. Now I'm just pouring some yogurt mint sauce on it. You can use chutney of your choice. You can use green chutney. They taste heavenly without anything as well. But at the same time, if you make these lettuce wraps and what I have done with the salad is I've just grated carrot, purple cabbage, and I've added some tomatoes, and I added some salt and lemon. So it was a simple salad, but it tastes really good. Like all these fresh flavors go really well with these kebabs. So you can make these lettuce wraps like I'm showing you here, and they taste so good. I can't, I don't have words to explain how good this tasted. I really want you to try this recipe. Like seriously, you need to try this recipe to actually understand what I'm trying to say here. Please try and let me know your feedback in the comment section below, and I'll just show you how it looked on the inside. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you like this recipe. I really hope you make it, and just let me know your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.